Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the second command from the DDL, that is data definition language, which is drop. Let me connect with the local instance first. As you can see, I've written some comments in order to get a clear understanding about drop command. So drop is a data definition language command and it is used to remove database objects permanently. So a very basic syntax we have here, that is drop database object and object name. Let's move on to some good practices. Always double check before executing drop command. It's a good practice to add if exists to the command as it prevents errors and it's very much handy. Let's see some examples. So if I want to drop a database, I'll just write this query such as drop database, which is the database object and the database name. Next we have drop a table. So how am I going to drop it? Simply write drop table and table name. Now let's solve some basic queries. So I wanted to drop previously created customers table from the my store database. Can I do this directly or am I supposed to go to the my store database first? Yes, you're right. We need to check whether I'm in the my store database. Am I in it? No, since it's not in the bold letters. So what command are we going to use now? We are going to use my store database. This will tell MySQL that I need to perform some operations in my database which I have selected. Let's execute this command. Okay, so we are inside our MyStore database. Now we will solve this query. Drop the previously created customers table. So we know we have to drop it. So how am I going to drop the customers table? We have already seen an example here. We are going to just mention drop table and a table name, which is customers in our case. Make sure customers, that is table name, is in lowercase. It's a good practice. Let's try to execute this query. Is it dropped? Let me check in the output panel. Yes, it's already dropped here. You can see that, correct? Am I able to see the tables here anymore? No, I can't expand this tables section. So it's already dropped. Now let's verify. How am I going to verify the table has been dropped or not? Let's see how. We have already seen this command. It's simply show tables. Let's put the semicolon in order to terminate our query and execute. You can see tables in my store database. There are no tables to be shown. Let me just close this result pane. Now I want to drop my store database. Okay. So I will perform the good practice command query. Okay. What is it? Drop database object if exists object name. So I'll just say drop database since database is our object and we need to drop database my store. So drop database if exists. Now what am I going to do? My store. That is the database name. Is it done yet? No. We are going to terminate the query as well. So let's see what output am I going to get if I execute it. Let's check in the output pane here. Yes, drop database if exists has been successfully executed. And you can see there is no my store database in our schemas section anymore. But let's verify it again. Now we are just going to use the same query but for databases. Show databases and a semicolon. Let's execute it and you can see there is no my store database present in the database section anymore. That's it for today's lecture and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, please practice all the queries which we have already covered and also the theory parts. It will help you a lot. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it as much as possible, and I will meet you in the next one. Thank you.